Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, The Smoking Beard. Welcome back. Today I will be showing you a hack that I did for my electric smoker, the cold smoker attachment that just stopped, would not want to turn on. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, I'm trying to get a brisket going here and some smoked potatoes. Problem is that my cold smoker attachment will not turn on. If I leave the button pressed hard enough, the light will turn on. As soon as I let it go, it comes off. Alright, so it's not going to stay on for me. So the next best thing that I could think of is doing this. Another hack that I came out with, and if you guys want to look at it, it is a net hack for the bottom once yours wears out, because it will wear out. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and look at my channel and see where you're at. But what I did here is I actually filled up my chamber with chips, with chunks, wood chunks, to try to get this remedied. And what I did is at the bottom I put a tumbleweed fire starter. So I'm gonna see if that's gonna help. Once your fire starts going, as long as you keep on feeding the fire, it shouldn't go out. So I'm hoping that this hack will help me while I go ahead and afterwards try to fix that situation with my on and off switch. But for now, if you run into this, hopefully this hack will help. You light on this that little tumbleweed that's in there. It's a bunch of hay that you can probably get at a store. They're called charcoal starters. They go by different names. This one was called tumbleweed. But on the bottom of that, I put it at the very bottom, and then I filled it up with chips or chunks. So we're gonna go ahead and see if that works out. And all right, guys. So what I'm doing right now is like I said, I loaded the chamber up with wood chips or chunks, and now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on my tumbleweed here, my charcoal starter tumbleweed. Hopefully this will get me out of this pinch that I find myself. All I need is for it to start. Once it starts, there it is. So alright, so that tumbleweed hopefully will catch my chunks on fire. So now I'm gonna turn this back over. Put it in as if normal. I might open up this to give this a little bit of more air, to give it a little bit more airflow. But hopefully this will help my situation here, where I'm ready to smoke a brisket and some smoked potatoes, and for whatever reason my electric starter is not going to start. So let's see if this works. So far so good. Whoa. Let me get this focused. Alright, only time will tell, guys, but we'll see. It looks like it's starting, so we're good to go. Alright, guys, so we're back. It's been a couple of minutes, and it looks like it will work for me. Again, this cold smoker attachment, that heating element, all it does is it keeps the fire going, the heat going. But as long as I keep an eye on it, it should be working just fine. It's just one of those things that I'm going to have to do to try to combat the whole ignition switch that doesn't want to turn on. But a quick simple hack, if you ever have a cold smoker attachment that does not want to turn on anymore, I'm assuming it's because so much grease has gone into it that it's kind of not letting it turn on anymore. This is an easy way to at least fix it for the meantime, while you try to get it fixed. But there it is. If you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe and check out my other videos. I have a lot of cool smoking videos, tutorials for beginners to advanced. So hit me up, let me know what you like, what you don't like, and we'll try to improve. Once again, this has been The Smoking Beard, and thanks again for watching.